As a matter of fact,
Are you good?
look, if you raise up your hands, guys, if we do a test, so every time you do something, we're gonna test and retest, which means that, hey, guess what? What do you think is right now pulling this arm up? The lat has a lot to do with it. So guess what? When you're having problems pressing up overhead, what is the one thing that you think is the one thing that if you release some tightness therefrom, you can actually be able to access more range?
13, 14, 15, 16,
right here.
17,
You have the deltoid as well, but this is the big move over here. Big move. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna target the lat, but we're gonna be helping out the workout body like this, just like this. So ready now? Face this. Yeah.
5.
Now, guys, ready? Go ahead and lay on the side. So face me.
You want to get booty in this?
I'm just fine. Alright, ready? I want you to come up. So lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. And guys, so what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna start off at the armpit area. So see that, Rudy? You feel that? Yeah, that's good. Good muscle right there. Alright, so guys, we're gonna do a contract and relax. Contract and relax means that we need to squeeze the muscle and then release. Contract, relax. Squeeze and you release. So what does that mean? Rudy, you gotta keep the arm up just like this. Okay? So, are you in a good position right now?